Welcome back, fellow writers, to the Creative Writing Club. Today, we're diving deep into the magical art of world building in fiction. World building is a crucial aspect of storytelling, whether you're crafting a high fantasy epic or a science fiction thriller. It's about creating immersive settings that feel real to your readers. Think about Middle-earth, Narnia, or the galaxy far, far away. These iconic fictional worlds were meticulously crafted by their creators. So, where do you start when it comes to world building? Let's break it down to some key steps. Step 1. Define the rules of your world. Is it a magic-rich realm with its own system of spells, or a dystopian future where technology reigns supreme? Establish the laws that govern your world. Step 2. Geography and map making. Sketch out a map of your world. Consider the landscapes, climates, and terrains. How does geography shape your characters' lives? Step 3. Societies and cultures. Think about the people who inhabit your world. What are their customs, languages, and belief systems? How do they interact with each other? Step 4. History and lore. Every world has a history. What events shaped your world's past? Are there legendary heroes or cataclysmic disasters in your world's lore? Step 5. Technology and magic. Determine the level of technology and the presence of magic in your world. How do they impact daily life and the plot? Step 6. Conflict and politics. Consider the power struggles, alliances, and conflicts that drive your world's narrative. Who holds the reign of power and who opposes them? And remember, while crafting your world, always keep your readers in mind. Engage your senses with vivid descriptions and draw them into the heart of your creation. That's it for today's world building tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more in-depth guides on creating unforgettable worlds for your stories. Until next time, happy writing!